Here we have Superfood Tuesday. Right here is red belted polypore, high in antioxidants, immune and boosting. Some say even anti-cancerous properties, and much the same with chaga. Boosts your immune system, fights a variety of problems with the body, and once again, a lot of people say that it plays a big factor in limiting the effects or even suppressing cancer. And so what happens is I've cut this into pieces, and so it's ready for the teapot. I'll take a piece off this and cut that. Then in my teapot here, I'll put in my infuser, add in the pieces, top the lid, and what we're going to do is a decoction. A decoction is a longer boiling process because these substances are a little bit harder. So to get the goodness out of it, we need to sort of boil it for a longer period of time. So it's time to rebuild, time to get stronger, time to have tea.